Hello guys, every day I earn a lot of money, and if you have audience on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or TikTok, just one or few posts can easily earn you 34 BNB. And as you can see guys, it's around $8,000 and this is the minimum. In fact, you can earn tens of thousands dollars in BNB Mario and for example buy a new car like me, and only a few correctly formatted publications separate you from this. As you can see, I personally have already withdrawn 24 BNB to my wallet from just 3 publications on YouTube, and I will receive another 20 BNB as a bonus when I reach here 200 BNB. And as you understand, this will happen today or tomorrow. So together, only from 3 publications, I earned $10,000. Okay guys, now I will show you step by step and in detail how to do the same, and then I will tell you why this method is safe. Okay guys, at first you need to go under the video and click on Telegraph link. After that you will open detailed instruction. So step 1, you need to install MetaMask or Trust Wallet. After that you need to transfer at least 0.06 BNB. Then you need to connect your wallet to the smart contract, and after activate the smallest Mario for 0.05 BNB. Congratulate you, your account is ready and activated. Of course, if you do this first time, here is more detailed information. But if you will still have some questions, you can easily ask them on my Telegram. A link will be under the video. Okay, after the registration you can click here on your profile, and here you will find your referral link, which you will need for publication. So you copy it to give to your audience, and then you just make publication for your subscribers. It's best to make the same instructions as I have on Telegram. You can copy all instructions from me and just pass your referral link, and almost everything is ready. Now all what remains is to make publication with a link to your instructions and watch how people start registering, and the affiliate rewards is awarded. Of course, you can immediately withdraw this money and spend it whatever you want. You can also activate Big Mario or Fire Mario. Here the investment program is already starting to work and you can earn even more. For example, you already invested 0.05 BNB to Little Mario, and of course you will earn this money after some time. Okay, and now I will tell you why it's cool and safe. This game underwent 2 independent audits from different companies, and both audits confirmed that the smart contract doesn't have backdoors or any privileges for the owner. In simple words, the owner cannot steal money from a smart contract. It's technically impossible. The BNB Mario game came out quite recently and few people know about it, but now people are flocking to it in the hundreds. You can see it on Twitter or Telegram. To make it easier for you to understand how long it can work, let me show you the game BNB Miner, which has been working for almost 3 years. If I had found out about it at the beginning, I probably would have already earned myself a big house on the ocean. This is my dream, and I'm sure that with BNB Mario I can do it. And if you want to achieve your dream, just do everything as in the instructions, and you will see by yourself how everything starts to happen. If you need help, just write me on Telegram and I will help you. And see you at BNB Mario guys. Let's make our dreams come true together.